So, you think Linux laptops are just for coders and hackers in dark rooms? Think again. Linux machines today are sleek, powerful, and seriously underrated. And if you pick the right one, it can outlast and outperform most Windows or macOS setups without draining your wallet or your patience. Stick around, because one of these laptops has a game-changing feature that completely flips what we expect from Linux performance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've tested, researched, and stress tested the top machines that actually love Linux. Whether you're into programming, ethical hacking, creative work, or just want an open source daily driver, I've got you covered. And by the end, you'll know exactly which laptop fits your workflow. No fluff, no guesswork. Let's jump straight in. The number one is Framework Laptop 13. This thing is a dream for Linux users who hate lockdown systems. It's modular, repairable, and lets you swap ports, storage, or even the main board in minutes. Powered by Intel Core Ultra or AMD Ryzen chips, it delivers smooth multitasking and near-perfect Linux compatibility right out of the box. The BIOS is open source friendly, and every component is replaceable. No soldering nightmares here. In real life, the Framework 13 feels like the future. The build quality is solid aluminum, the keyboard feels premium, and every distro from Ubuntu to Fedora runs like butter. This is for users who want total control and zero e-waste guilt. The only downside, it's not the cheapest option, but for power users who want freedom and longevity, it's worth every cent. The number two is System 76 Galago Pro. Designed by a company that literally builds laptops for Linux, this machine is plug-and-play heaven. It ships with pop_OS or Ubuntu pre-installed, backed by drivers optimized for Linux kernels. The latest model packs Intel's Core Ultra CPUs, up to 64 GB RAM, and blazing fast NVMe storage. Translation: everything just works. Using it feels like stepping into an ecosystem built specifically for you. No driver hunting, no weird glitches, no BIOS panic. The magnesium alloy body is light but tough, and it's ideal for developers or anyone who travels often. The battery life isn't record-breaking, but the convenience of full Linux support straight out of the box is unbeatable. The number three is Dell XPS 13 Developer Edition. Dell's been shipping Ubuntu certified XPS models for years, and this one is a Linux powerhouse in disguise. Under the hood, you've got Intel Core Ultra chips, an ultra-bright Infinity Edge display, and killer battery life. Dell's firmware updates even support Linux directly through the LVFS framework. Rare and amazing. What really stands out is polish. The keyboard, the display, the premium feel. It's like a MacBook for Linux fans. The touchpad is silky smooth, and sleep-wake reliability is top tier. If you want the mainstream laptop experience without ditching Linux, this is the one. Downside: it's pricey, but it delivers pro-level refinement that few Linux-friendly machines can match. Quick myth break: did you know most laptops can technically run Linux, but only a handful deliver real driver harmony? Wi-Fi chipsets and GPS can make or break your experience. So yeah, hardware choice matters way more than the distro. The number four is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11. The ThinkPad line is practically legendary in Linux circles. The X1 Carbon keeps the tradition alive with rock-solid hardware, stellar battery life, and an unbeatable keyboard. Intel Core Ultra processors and integrated Iris-Z graphics handle everything from code compilation to light video editing. Real-world use: smooth. The Linux community already has perfect driver support baked in. The matte display kills reflections, and the build feels bomb-proof. It's light, tough, and totally professional. This is the ultimate laptop for devs who value durability and dependability. Just watch out if you go too far with BIOS tweaks. You can void warranty coverage. But hey, that's part of the Linux spirit. The number five is HP Dev 1. This one's a bit of a secret weapon. Co-designed by HP and System 76, it comes with pop_OS pre-installed, AMD Ryzen 7 Pro power, and everything tuned for open source work. The keyboard is excellent, thermals stay cool, and the 14-inch matte screen is perfect for long coding sessions. In practice, it feels balanced and purpose-built. You don't get RGB flash or ultra-thin bezels, it's pure function over form. Ideal for developers who need a stable, fast Linux box that just works every single day. The battery life is solid, though the speakers are mid-range at best. Still, for under $1,000, it's a near-perfect Linux starter laptop. By the way, what's more important to you? Full customization or just smooth plug-and-play performance? Drop it in the comments. I want to see which camp wins. The number 6 is Acer Swift X AMD Edition. This one surprises everyone. While not marketed for Linux, the Ryzen-based Swift X plays incredibly well with distros like Fedora and Mint. You get an RTX GPU, great thermals, and over 10 hours of battery life, something rare for a performance laptop. Using it daily feels shockingly smooth. The Linux community has nailed driver support for the AMD NVIDIA combo here, and once set up, it's a powerhouse for devs, data scientists, or content creators. It's not modular or upgradable like the framework, but it's one of the best budget-friendly performance machines you can tune for Linux. Remember the game-changing feature I teased earlier? It's in the framework laptop, the ability to swap every single port and component with magnetic modules. That's not just cool, it's revolutionary. You can literally future-proof your setup without buying a new device. No other laptop on this list can touch that level of adaptability. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reality check. You don't need a Linux certified logo to run Linux, but picking hardware that plays nice saves you hours of frustration. The golden rule: always check Wi-Fi and GPU compatibility before buying. That one step alone can turn a nightmare install into a 10-minute success story. Alright, let's drop the value bomb. If you want total freedom and repairability, go framework. For a zero-effort plug-and-play experience, System 76 or HP Dev 1 all the way. Need corporate durability? Grab the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. And if you're chasing sleek design and polish, the Dell XPS 13 Developer Edition is pure gold. So now I've got to ask, what's your pick? The open source Rebel and framework, or the flawless simplicity of System 76? Drop your team below and let's see who wins this Linux showdown. If this breakdown helped you find your perfect Linux laptop, smash that subscribe button. I've got a full video coming next on the best Linux accessories and tweaks to supercharge your setup, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.